Hello everyone, my name is Duncan, and today we will discuss the different ways to use the word especially. Now, here is a general idea of what the word means in Russian and English, but I have example sentences for you that will help you to see the word in context, understand what it means, and how best to use it. Let's get right to it. Be especially careful when holding a loaded weapon. Keep your finger off the trigger. Ты же не хочешь случайно выстрелить. This park is especially beautiful in the fall, as the leaves are changing color. Хотя, пока я жил в России, я заметил, что в основном листья там только желтые. Может быть, в США у нас есть больше разнообразное. I want to go to this party, especially since Nastya will be there. Oh, Nastya. Обращай внимание здесь I wanna вместо I want to. I wanna. I was really happy with how the chicken turned out, especially since I've never cooked this recipe before. Ты доволен и удивлен, как хорошо курица получилась. I think you'll enjoy this book, especially if you're into murder mysteries. Девушки особенно любят этот жанр. Это означает, что они уже знают, как убить тебя и выйти сухими воды. Я feminist. He liked all his teachers, especially Miss Erickson, who always provided him with support whenever he needed it. Почему-то моя любимая учительница в школе была Miss Bridget. Но я не знаю точно почему. Sitting down to drink a cold beer is nice, especially after a long day of hard work. Это просто топ. Alright guys, if this video was helpful for you, subscribe, like the video, and I'll have more ESL content for you soon. Пока-пока.